Go ahead, ma'am. We are live now. Ma'am, you are on mute.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ASSOCHAM's Capacity Building Series on Atmanirbhar Bharat. With the slogan of Be Vocal for Local, ASSOCHAM has started this series with the support of ITC. As we all know that 74% of marketing executives recognize that marketing organizations face a critical talent shortage due to lack of digital skills. In other words, there is a huge gap in what they know and what they need to know. This represents a huge opportunity, and mastering these skills will now prepare them for the future. Sensing this need, ASSOCHAM has initiated this series to get the best of examples with business experts on board to share the success stories. And realizing the need of digital marketing in today's marketing space, we have initiated the series on digital marketing. During the first session that happened on 16th September, it was an introductory session. And today we have digital marketing part 2 that will focus on various tools that are used for digital marketing. Say Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, Twitter, Instagram marketing, blog writing, email marketing, Canva, Pixel, Pixabay usage, WhatsApp business tools, etc. And to take this ahead, we have with us Mr. Gopal Dharmabara again, and he's a consultant trainer, and he has trained a lot of corporate professionals across the country. Now, without much ado, I would now request Mr. Gopal to take over and start the session. Over to you, Gopal.
Thank you, ma'am. Once again, nice introduction. I love to hear your introduction. The way you will introduce it is awesome. Okay. Thank you, participants. Today we will go a little deeper into the digital marketing. Okay. So we'll start the session. Once again, I welcome you all for the day 2 of a digital marketing session, and I'll share my screen 1 second. My screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
You can put it in the slideshow mode, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I am visible and audible both, no?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Digital marketing. Okay. Earlier we have seen the traditional marketing. The traditional marketing is played very different way altogether, because we have seen what are the pros and cons of the traditional marketing and other things. But now what we do is what we talk about the new era marketing. This new era marketing, because of the bandwidth, I have disconnected this video. Is it okay, or video is required?
That's
No,
fine,
sir.
sir.
Please
That's
go ahead,
fine.
sir.
Okay, fine. So when it comes to the digital marketing, we need to understand there are plenty of tools. Every day there new tools are coming in this pipeline. So what we need to understand, how we can use these kind of the tools effectively to the need of our okay. So that's what we see and we'll understand today. And the objective, of this session is, by the end of the session, all the participants will be able to understand and practice all the digital media tools effectively to build their business. See, ultimately, most of the times who are using this digital media for the development of the business. So the bottom line is, in business, what is the bottom line? It is the profit. So when you will get the profit, we have seen in the traditional media, you need to pay a lot of money and you don't have any control on the ads, what you are displaying and what are the money you are spending, all this stuff, and you are not in a position to exactly calculate ROI, return of investment. So here, when we talk about the digital media, we have seen in the first session, yes, there is a lot of difference between the traditional media and digital media. Okay, so we have all the clutches in our hand only. So we can use very effectively these clutches so that our expenditure will be reduced and profit will be increased. See, there are two ways to improve your profit. First one is reducing the expenditure. Say, suppose if I am working with a 1 lakh rupees as a sale, 1 lakh rupees is my sale. Imagine. Okay. Now, if 1 lakh is my sale, if my expenditure is 20,000 rupees, or you imagine 1 lakh is my 10 lakhs is my sale and 1 lakh is my profit and 20,000 rupees is my expenditure. That means the net profit what I am getting is 80K. That means 20,000 rupees is the expenditure. Out of this 80,000, if I am spending 50,000 rupees for the media, that means marketing. Now I am landing up with only 30K. Now there are two ways to improve my bottom line. Bottom line means profit. One is improving the sale. That means instead of selling 10 lakh rupees, I can sell 15 lakh rupees. But there are so many limitations for that. Now, having the same kind of the sale, how I can reduce the expenditure, and so that if I reduce the expenditure, automatically my profit ratio will be increasing. Say instead of 50,000 rupees, what I am spending for the marketing, if I could be able to manage the same kind of the marketing with the 25,000 rupees, that means another 25,000 rupees is adding to my kitty. So this is the main purpose of the any digital media tool. So that is the reason so many today digital media houses are working towards giving this kind of the output to the customers, so that it will be a win-win situation. For the digital media platforms, they are earning their money. At the same time, the person who is into the marketing segment in the business entrepreneurship, so he also making his own profits. So both the ends, it is win-to-win situation. Now, just we have a recap of what we learned. What are the topics we have covered in our previous session? First, what we have done, what is digital marketing? We already seen what is the digital marketing thoroughly. We have understood that one. Second one is importance of the digital marketing. As I shared with you, digital marketing plays a very vital role in new era marketing. Okay, if you are not there in the digital platform, that means you are not there in the minds of the people. Because jo dikhta hai wahi bikta hai. You know all that, whatever the people out of the sight is out of the mind. So until unless today you may be seeing, still you will be seeing Colgate advertisement, still you will be seeing Nirma advertisement, still you will be seeing so many Purane brands, Tata Salt advertisement. Why? Because it is occupying the mind share of the consumer or the customer. So importance of the digital marketing. This is how only we can be as a present in the minds of the people. And tools and techniques of the digital media, digital marketing. Okay, these two things also we have understood broadly. Now, new era marketing strategies. Yes, we have shown you how you can do that. What are the tools are available? So many, because there are so many tools are available in one segment. Because we have understood there are 4 different segments. There are 4 pillars in the digital marketing. In each segment, what are all the tools and techniques are available? That also we have discussed. And finally, we have seen the difference between the traditional market, traditional medium, and digital medium, digital marketing. So all pros and cons. In traditional marketing, there are certain pros and cons. At the same time, in the digital media, there are certain pros and cons. These are the things what we have seen in our previous class. Okay, fine. Now, is it clear? Universities are going to pay for my. Okay.
Yes, it's clear, Gopalji.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, we move ahead. Wave in digital media. What is wave? Anybody have heard this word wave? Any user chat? Wave. What is a wave in digital marketing? Have you heard this word?
I would request and urge all the participants to participate through chat. Let's make it more interactive.
Yeah. I could able to see your chart, but no one is responding. Until unless we don't respond each other, no, the learning will not be happens. Okay.
I think
So
I think
what-
they're not aware, Gopalji. They've said no.
Okay, fine. Now, Wave, if you search in Google, you will not get what is the Wave in digital marketing. Because when I was working with some of the digital media people, I understood, yes, this is what is required. So that is the reason you will not get, even if you Google it also, you will not get what is Wave in digital media. When I was working with this kind of the people, then I understood, yes, this is what is need to be educated to the people, those who want to build their business. What is the Wave? First one, writing. Okay. So writing is very important thing. What you are, how you are communicating, because there are three ways to communicate. One is because even when we are in the school, we used to hear that there are three sessions: A session, B session, C session. And even adult learning principle also, they say that VAK, V-A-K. One is visual, auditory, kinesthetic, VAK. Similarly, when you see the ads also, there are different varieties of the ads. One is writing. Okay, how this writing also as a part of the digital media platform, what we will see. First one is the writing. Second one is the auditory. That means listening something. Now you are listening something, okay, about the digital media, content writing, blog. Yes, you are right, sir. Praveen sir, you are right. Content writing, blogs, all these things. Now auditory. Auditory, in using this auditory platform also, you can do lot of ads and you can build your industry or your business or whatever you are field into, you can build that one. And the third one is visual. Okay, so in the visual platform also, now what we are doing, all three are happening. All three are happening. If you can see writing, some of you are writing in the chat box, you are responding, or I am writing something, good morning, I am wishing you, or something like that. It is happening. Second one is auditory. Now, whatever I am sharing with you, the knowledge sharing is happening. You are listening through your eyes. Above all, you are seeing something. Okay, without this PPT also, I can plan the session. But why this importance of the PPT? What is the importance of the visual? We will understand. Okay. Now, find a third and fourth important thing. One thing which you need to keep in the mind always. Whatever you are writing, whatever you are telling, whatever you are showing, it should be ethical and it should be effective. Okay, sometimes what will happen, there will not be any writing, there will not be any auditory, but only the visual. In that visual also, customer should feel that, yes, this ad or this person following certain kind of the ethical, and it should appeal to the people. Say, I will give you an example. Can you give an example for this? Any example without using writing, without auditory, only acting visuals? Any example? Any example? If you have seen any kids channel in your residence, any programs which is coming in your mind, anything? Effective communication? No, sir. Okay. So how many of you are having kids in your house? Kids. जब हमारे घर पे बच्चे होता है ना, वो बच्चे कार्टून्स देखते हैं, चैनल्स, मिस्टर बीम। मिस्टर बीम में कुछ राइटिंग है, कुछ ऑडिटरी है? Okay, but only thing is the visuals. Charlie Chaplin. Okay, so visuals make more impact, more appealing. That is the reason this all three are important. Above writing and auditory visuals plays very Tom and Jerry. Yes, you are right, sir. Tom and Jerry, and compared to all, this visual plays very vital role in advertisement industry, digital marketing. Okay, so whatever you are telling, you must be telling ethical and all facts you need to keep in front of the customers. If the facts are not there, tomorrow if they find, yes, whatever you are showing, it is wrong, then totally you will be out of the market. Okay, there may be some legal problems also you may forced to be into. Okay, so and above all, it must be effective. Effective means it means eye catching. There are certain advertisements, if you see, the moment it will, you see, it will store in your mind for a longer time. Okay, because the kind of the colors they use, the kind of the words they use, the kind of the things they promote, all these things will be, should be there, so that your sale will be improving day by day, year after year. Okay, these are the things. This wave need to be there back of your mind always. So you need to understand where you are standing today, what kind of the tools you need to use, so that you will get the better output. Always it is not mandatory that you need to use only visual, then only you will get the output. It is not like that. So depending upon the situation, depending upon the crowd, where you are playing, which market you are playing, which niche market you are seeing, based on that, you need to change your strategies. And you can use all these three, WAV, writing, auditory, and visual. All three modes you can use, so that your customers, because even human being learns in three different ways. In olden days, if you see Gurukulas and other places, in olden schools, people used to bifurcate in three sessions: A session, B session, C session. A session, majorly auditory people used to sit. That means when teacher addresses the crowd, 90% of the people, they are able to reproduce this lesson. That is auditory. Visual, they need to read once, so that no, they point that word by word, and they will read. And the kinesthetic, there is the people who learns by writing, by doing. So that is the reason teachers used to give us imposition 10 times. You write it so that you will understand, you will learn better. So human learning is also happens three parts. Human recipient receives the information in three different ways, so that this is very important. This is the fundamental thing which we need to understand before we are venturing into any kind of the ads or any kind of the promotion or branding or anything. Is it clear? Friends, can I move ahead? Okay. KYC. Have you heard this word KYC anywhere? Have you heard this word KYC? Yes. Know your customer. Yes, sir. Know your customer. Where you heard this word? Who will use this word more? Banks. You are 100% right. Subramanian sir, 100% right, sir. So it is not only the banks, because banks, for the AML guidelines, they said that the KYC is very important, but understanding the customer is very important in any kind of the situation or any kind of the business. Okay. The first question you should ask before joining a new social media platform is, where is your audience? You need to understand, where are my customers? That means my audience. Before me going and venturing into any digital media platform, we need to see where are my customers are sitting today. eKYC PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So this is very important, understanding your customer. Now, it makes more sense to get where your audience is already hanging out. So suppose wherever there is a customers, wherever, because when you are venturing into a niche market, sometimes you may be having readily available customers. Sometimes you may not be knowing where your customers exactly sitting. So that is the time where you need to do a little research using the tools. There are so many tools are available in the online platforms, understanding how the customers, what customers are searching, what kind of the keywords they are searching, on what platforms they are searching, and what product they are searching. All these things you will come to know that accordingly you can place your ads. The second thing to understand how your audience is using the platform. Some people may be using YouTube, some people may be using Twitter, some people may be other platforms like Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, or where your customers are hanging around and they are readily available to grab them. Okay. What type of the content are they are looking for? Okay. Suppose sometimes what will happen now when you going through some Facebook ads or something, knowledge shared is knowledge shared. Correct, sir. Okay. So what type of the content are they are looking for? That means you may be seeing so many organizations, so many companies are advertising for the paste. But the moment you see some ad, you will be connecting to that. But rest of the ads may not be appealing to you. But it is not the same with your mother. It is not same with your kid. When they see the Pepsodent, they may be hanging out. When you see the Colgate, Ayurveda or Veda Shakti, you may be hanging to it. Because your way of understanding and your feel is something different and their thing is different. You need to understand which niche segment, where you are focusing, so that the customers are readily available to you to pull to your business. Social media strategies. Whenever a new social media platform emerges, it is essential to know the difference between the shiny new objective and fast growing platform that has potential stake. Morning from Himachal Pradesh. Okay, now we need to understand, because there are so many platforms they are creating every day. There are one new app is coming, a new software is coming, so many things are coming, flashy things are coming. You should not be deviated yourself. It is because of it is flashy, okay, it will serve my purpose. It is not like that. You need to do a thorough analysis, thorough research based on the facts and figures available. But no one will tell, because they will tell about their features, advantages and benefits. Fabbing in the marketing scenario, we call it as fabbing. Features, advantages, benefits. So you need to see how many features it is having. It is not important for you. What are the advantages it is having? It is not important to you. But you need to see what benefit I am going to get out of using this, the features and advantages. Am I already having these kind of the advantages with my previous tools, or I need to switch over to the new tool? You need to understand accordingly. You need to use the digital media platforms using the digital media statistics. Okay, this is brief about that one. Now we will talk about the writing. Okay, writing, very traditional method. Very traditional method is email marketing. Okay, email marketing, you all know that it is very effective, because when you are sending a personalized email, it is very effective. But at the same time, if you are collecting these emails, bulk from other places, okay, data mining, or you are purchasing some data, or you are doing something like that, then most of the times this may go into the spam. Okay, otherwise email marketing is one of the best marketing, because if the customer is visited your place and you know his email and you are responding to him and he is responding to you, and chances are very high when you are personally sending a personalized email. Okay, it is not keeping BCC for all 100 people. When you can send a personalized email, it is very effective. And WhatsApp, you all know that you can send a lot of information through WhatsApp. Even you can write certain things, SMS, blog, normal post. These all are different tools which are available in the writing. Okay, if you Google it, you will get so many apps and other things where you can use in terms of the writing. I'm not much focusing on the writing because one should have the skill also to use these platforms, because when you are writing something, the exact, if you are not able to keep that idea to the on the right ground, then it may give a different meaning also. So the using the words, the language, the grammar, are so many things need to be there in that. Okay, there are so many tools are available. You can use it. Okay, for better writing, you can use grammar related apps and other things. Okay, so this is brief about the writing tools. Similarly, there are auditory. Auditory means nowadays it is more focus is podcasts. Okay, or storytelling. You will be recording certain stories, and out of that you will be saying some morals or something like that. So it is today, it is very growing, very fast growing podcast and storytelling. Okay, here also you can have so many tools you can use to establish your brand. Okay, these are certain tools. Podcast host, there are Anchor, bus support, podium, speaker, all these things are, there are free tools also available. Over a period of time, you need to pay something. So these are the tools are available. You can use these tools and get benefit out of it. And most of the times what will happen when this podcast and other things, when there is a study, there is a research done by this, they say that the effectiveness is not much, especially in the auditory, because people are not seeing anything, just they are listening. Okay, listening to the music or listening something, it is okay, but when it comes to the business improvement, enhancement of the business, which is not getting a desired results by using alone this podcast or this auditory ads. So that is the reason I am not focusing much on it. Free audio editing tools. There are so many free audio editing tools are available. Up to some extent, you can get the free tools. Above that, you need to pay certain amount per month or per year basis. Okay, Audacity is one of the best tool. I am also using that one, so you can use that one. Okay, so these are the some tools which are available from Audacity to FL Studio. There are almost 30 to 35 tools are available. Most of the people are using these tools. Okay, so you can use whenever you can download, simple a click away download things you can use, and you can record. If you are having good mic, then you can record it and you can send it. Or instead of that, you can have so many apps in your smartphone. You can use the smartphone and you can record it and you can edit and you can use in the form of the audio editing tools. Okay, another important thing in the business, to improve the business, jo dikhta hai wo bikta hai. So in this era, it is coming visual. User generated content is any form of the visual media that is created by users of an online system made accessible via social media. So you may be, because before starting this program, they have displayed a small what we call the flare before starting the meeting. This is a so-and-so meeting, digital media part 2 meeting hosted by this ASSOCHAM, and he is the speaker like that. So the moment people sees that, it will go and sits in our mind. Visual social media platforms are allowing consumers to play much longer role in defining brand than ever before. So today, so many platforms are available, because if you talk about any platform, all platforms are giving a scope to propagate your medium, your brand, your business, or anything in different ways and means. Studies indicate that 40% of the people actually respond far better to visuals. This is a very, very, very important thing. The studies indicates, it is not my words. There are so many studies. This says that 40% of the people actually respond far better to the visuals. Okay. Here I want to do a small activity. You all are ready? All are ready in the chat box? All are ready? Sit straight. Sit straight. Your spine erect and sit straight. Close your eyes the way I closed. Close your eyes. Elephant. Close your eyes. Don't open till further instructions. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Elephant. Giraffe. Monkey. Donkey. Amitabh Bachchan. Rajnikant. Narendra Modi. Randi Setti. Last one is Randi Setti. Before closing, before opening your eyes, the last thing is dinosaurs. Last thing is dinosaurs. Now, slowly open your eyes and use the chat box. How many of you seen Randi Setti? R-A-N-D-I-S-E-T-T-Y, Randi Setti. Fast in the chat box. I am following your chat box. How many of you are able to see Randi Setti? Fast. Fast, only one response. 2. How many of you are able to see? How many of you are able to see? Vijay Kumar, thank you, sir. Reena, thank you, ma'am. Auntie sir, thank you so much. So I feel rest of all you could able to see something. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, now almost all of you are shared that you could not able to see Randi Setti. It is a person. I only know in this group, nobody don't know. That is the reason you are not able to see. Not able to see. Yes, sir. Ashish Chaudhary, sir. Thank you so much for writing, sharing your view. Okay. Now, how many of you are able to see dinosaurs? Dinosaurs. How many of you are able to see? Yes, 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 yes. Now my next question. How many of you have seen live real dinosaurs? Live. Sir, I have seen in this exhibition or in this museum or in this place, XYZ place. Okay, dinosaurs. Okay. Okay, it was visual imaginary. Visual imaginary in the Jurassic Park, there was a movie and we have seen all, we thought that dinosaurs may look like this. It was stored in our mind. Now, my next question is, when I said elephant, when I said lion or giraffe or Rajnikant or Amitabh Bachchan, how many of you have seen the spelling E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant? Have you seen the spelling or have you seen the picture? What you have seen? If you have seen the spelling, write S. If you have seen the picture, you write P or picture. Okay, okay, great. So all of you are writing that you have seen only picture. Why means our brain human being works with the pictorial memory. That is the reason we see so many our loved ones in the form of pictures in our dreams. Okay. Okay, some people sharing that spelling and picture. Okay, you may be referring to a picture. Under that, you may be seeing some what we'll call, if you are seeing a textbook, there is a picture and downline there is a spelling. That may happen, but 99% of the times our brain works with pictorial memory. So that is the reason in any visual plays a very vital role in any advertisement, in any digital media, the traditional media or the digital media. Always your visuals speaks much louder than your words. Okay, so that is the reason visual media is taking the front seat in all kinds of the advertisements. Is it okay? Clear? Interesting? So we need to understand. Yes, we can use at times auditory, at times you can send a mail or you can send in for feedback or something like that. You can use the email system or any other system, auditory system or other things. But the effective communication happens with the visuals. Even you said that it is a Tom and Jerry. Okay, people, if you switch on that, the kids will not move here and there. Just they will stick to the TV. Okay. Similarly, Mr. Bean or similarly Charlie Chaplin, they have not used any verbal communication. There is no auditory there, but only visual is there. Only visual is taking care of the all other things. And another thing, when you are using the icons, the photos, the colors, this all also speaks louder, and this also communicate certain things to the people, those who know about these colors, all these things. That is the reason when they are giving an advertisement for Lifebuoy, they will be using a different colors. When they are giving for Medimix, they will be using Colgate Vedashakti, they will be seeing all the background, all the colors, all the dress, all people. Similarly, okay, suppose when there is a thing which they talk about the Gadi Buti, the herbs and other things, they show some rishis and other things. Okay, so these visuals, immediately you can go back. Oh, this is a Rishi Sampatti used to be there. So this Rishi log ne leke diya hai ye. Okay, this kind of the things will come in your mind. Fine, thank you so much for your good participation. Now, this is the latest trend. Most of the places, infographics. Infographics means whatever the information we want to share, that will be sharing in the form of the information, in the form of the pictures, in the form of the graphs. Here, if you see, 90% of the information transmitted to the brain is visual. Please remember, 90% of the information transmitted to the brain is visual. Why I am more emphasizing on visual media? Because if you could able to crack the code of the visual media, you need not to even go to the writing mails or something like that. This visual media, even for the feedback also, you can send a kind of the visual infographic, something like that. Visuals are processed 60,000 times faster than brain than the text. Please remember. How many of you know this earlier, before this meeting? How many of you know this facts, these facts? 40% of the people will respond better to visual information than plain text. Okay, so these are the facts. Now, when we are working into the digital media platform, you cannot work only just like a blind. You need to know all the informations. And another important things are, you see in the down, you can see 93% of the all human communications is non-verbal. Is it interesting? Say yes in the chat. Is it eye-opening for us? Is it eye-opening for us? We feel that we need to, because if I am a sales guy, I need to talk much. I need to have a beautiful language, command or English or Hindi or foreign languages. Then only I can be build my empire or my pottery or something like that. But these are all are not facts. The fact is 93% is non-verbal. So there is a lot of references are available in the, if you Google it, you will get so many studies are there. So many studies are there, sir. So you need not be worried. Just you Google it, you will get this information. Okay. Now visuals. Visual marketing is the use of images. Yes, normal images, videos, infographics. What I have shown earlier, this is an infographic. That means there is a data, that means information, graphics, and all these things, and whatever I want to write. So in one slide, I am, whatever I want to tell, I could able to reach the customers exactly the way. Okay, now visual platforms. What are the visual platforms? What are the visual platforms today we are available in digital markets are very commonly, very broadly used. What is in the first place? Visual platforms. YouTube, okay, Facebook, Disney Hotstar, okay, digital media, digital Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Insta, Amazon, TV. Great. Excellent participation. Okay. Sir, simple visual, there is a question, how infographics is different from the simple visuals. I will explain in the last, sir. Okay, I'll keep this question. Okay, I will answer this question. Okay, so these are the platforms. In these platforms, Facebook is standing tall. All instead of among all these things, YouTube, yes, YouTube is there today. If you don't know something, just you go to the YouTube and ask it how to prepare pongal. You can see how to prepare chicken curry. Yes, it is available. Everything is a click away. YouTube. So one of the greatest visual thing is there. YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram Live, Facebook Watch. Okay, all these things playing very vital role. Now, the question is how to create a video or how to create a flyer or what are the tools I can use. The simple tools I will explain you. Simple tools I will explain you. One second, sir.
Hello,
Haji.
Gopal sir.
Haji.
Has the presentation stopped?
Presentation stopped. I am going to the next one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, friends, are you able to see the screen? Hello. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose we all seen the importance of the digital media. This is the software, this is the application, not software. This is an application freely available in the internet. Okay, if you have the internet connection in your residence, you can use this. This application name is Canva. How many of you are heard about this Canva? How many of you are heard about this Canva? Yes, yes. Never heard. How many of you heard, sir? This Canva. Okay, this is a one-stop solution. One-stop solution for your immediate needs. Because today I am going to share with you, this is a tool without spending a single rupee. You can create. Okay, so here you can use this platform. Now I will show you how to prepare a flyer. Now you can see here presentation, video, Instagram post or poster, logo, card, anything you can. Suppose if you want to make a poster, just are you able to see someone? Hello, am I audible?
You are
Yes, sir.
audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, suppose if I want to plan, I am planning a session next week. I want to prepare a flyer for that. I want to prepare a flyer for that. Flyer. If I can search, flyer is there. The size is also mentioned here because there are, if you want the landscape, you can take the landscape, or you want the vertical, or you can take that one. Or so here, if I am clicking the flyer, yes. Now you can choose. Already there are certain flyers are prepared. There are certain flyers. Okay, so depending upon my interest, I can choose one. Okay, suppose if I am choosing here one. Are you able to see, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is a very simple. You can edit everything. This is a design what I have taken. Now,
Yes.
now here, suppose if I want to write Assocham, simple. Now I have selected this Assocham, Assocham. Okay. Now I don't want this logo. Remove this logo. Just simple. Delete this logo. Now you can take this Assocham on the top. Digital media workshop. Digital media workshop. Now, if I want to have different color to this, I am okay with the black. I can use this black like this. Okay. If I don't want this black color, now select this. Here, text color. Are you able to see all?
Yes, we can.
Now I am putting violet. Now you can see it is changed. Okay. Now this is if I am okay with this, or if I want to make it center, I have made it center. Assocham organizing a digital media workshop. Now, when I am writing here, I can use this one, or I can suppose I am totally deleting this. For your information, I am totally deleting this. Okay. Now I want to add some new text. Okay. So because it is there, sir, you are doing. It is not there now. I am deleting this also. Now I need to add a new text. If you go to the leftmost, you can see the text. Here you can add any variety, whatever you want. Here you can add whatever you want. Suppose if I am choosing this glow, you see glow is here. Okay, so this I can make it small, big just by doing this, and I can keep like this. I don't like this. Okay, just put it, press delete. Now I am adding a plain text. Now see this plain text. Okay, plain text. Here I need to mention date, time, and everything. Now I am writing date and just simple type time down when they are going to conduct 26th 10 20 21 at 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now I am just keeping like this here. Is it simple? Okay.
Yes.
Now,
This Canva, Gopalji, this Canva we need to download. It is paid or it's available free of
it is
cost?
free, madam. It is. I am doing only free. Just if you
Okay.
have a Google account, suppose if I have a Google Mail ID, that's enough. With that I can log in.
Okay.
Nothing. I don't require any. I need not to buy anything. Okay. Now, friends, I have done this. Now, if I want to attract more, just I can do certain animation to this. Now, elements. If I go to the second, you can see the elements. Now, in this elements, you can choose so many elements are there. You can choose so many things. Now, first I am keeping here, I am frames. First I have selected one frame because it is showing what it is showing. It is showing date and time. So people need to understand time is not in our hands. It will be running. Now, what I am doing, out of these elements, there are so many elements. Now you see, here you can see, element, first I have taken element. From there, I have taken videos. From the video, just what I need to do, click and drag. Oh, shit. Now, if I see this, it will be showing watch. That means time is running out. So you please join. Click the link and join. Now, earlier it is not visible. Now it is visible. The time is running out. Okay. Now here, suppose if I am want to paste the link. Here I want to paste the link. So I have pasted the link. Now I want to give certain hurry up or certain kind of the thing. So again I am going to the words. There are here you can see so many things. You can text. If you go to the text, because if you see this crown thing, it is a paid version. Without crown, anything you can use. This crown is paid one. So here I am choosing this. HURRY, hurry. Okay. Or otherwise join. Click and join. CLICK C-L-I-C-K, click, and Join. So likewise also I can use click and join. Okay, click and join. I can reduce the size by doing like this. You need not to do anything. No softwares, nothing. Just click and join. Now, if I want to, this is plain SHM, digital media workshop, date. I have given one here for the understanding. I have given here. So it is showing time is running out. Now, suppose if I want to add certain music to this, okay, because what we have discussed, it is VAC, visual, auditory, kinesthetic. All three should be here. So I am using some audio to this. I am using some audio to this. That means I am adding this. Are you able to hear, sir? Now, suppose if I want to download this, just go on the top, download MP4 video form. Suppose since here I have done the video, I need to have this video. Otherwise, I can, as a flyer, if I want to download as a JPG. In the JPG, you will not get the music because it is a JPG form. Suppose the same thing I can go into the MP4 format also. Suppose if I am downloading as a JPG, how it looks. I'll show you. First, let me close this one. Not sharing. Cancel. Okay, this is how you need to create. It is saved on the desktop. I'll show you. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is a simple flyer you can prepare. Okay, at the same time, if you want to prepare a video, you all understood this one? First, let me understand. Is it simple? The Canva. Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, just you need to open the Canva, CANVA. You need not to go for the pro or something like that. Just it will ask you to log in. Using your Google account, you can log in and you can create this kind of the flyer like this. Okay, so whatever you want, you can edit, or suppose if you want to create a new flyer altogether, you don't want to use anybody used one, you can go for the new one. Okay, so here suppose if I want to have a flyer or poster or something like that, poster. Okay, suppose I have taken a create blank poster. I have taken a blank poster. Nothing is here. Okay, now I can create background. Suppose if I am going to the background, what kind of the background I want? Suppose if I choose like this, the background will come like this. If I choose this, the background, depending upon the what kind of the ad I want to prepare. Based on that, I can suppose like this. You choose anything. Suppose if I am a constructing industry, this is called the bricks. Okay, now I am adding text to this heading. Add heading. Ganesh Builders. Okay, Ganesh Builders. If you want to make it white or something like that, select this one, go here. Now Ganesh Builder became white in color. Now you can use, suppose you are putting online sale. Just click this one, sale. Okay, online sale. 50% discount. If you want to keep it as 50% discount. Elements. You can use, you can put some color, these elements. Okay, I can use some color. Color, I have used this color and I need to write 50% discount. Text. $50 discount. Clear? So you can use the predefined or somebody created things or tools are readily available. You can edit as per your need. You can create that one. Otherwise, suppose if you want a fresh, depending upon your interest, you can use it. Understood, sir? Can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
So is it simple? Chat box, is it simple? Okay. So this is how without spending single rupee, you can use your digital market. Okay. Now, suppose if I want to go for a video. Now, suppose if I am clicking here, there are so many videos available. There are so many videos. You can see in my left hand side, there are so many videos are already there. Okay. There are so many videos are there. This is showing some traffic or kind of the thing. This is only one page is there. I will show you certain things. Okay. Suppose you are into the resort business. You can use this. You can use this one and you can edit. Suppose here, if you want to keep your logo, you can keep your logo. Suppose here I have deleted this logo. This entire logo is deleted. You can upload your, suppose your logo is there and other things are there. You can go here in the left side. You can see the third icon is the uploads. Okay. Now it is uploads. I have done some uploads. Okay. Suppose if this is my logo, my logo is in round shape. Suppose this is my round shape. Now I need to go to the elements. Now I need to choose the round shape element or this shape. Now I have chosen this shape. I have reduced the size. And I kept here. Okay. I kept here. Now I want to keep my logo in that. Just I have uploaded. You can go to the images, videos, audios, anything you can upload. Suppose if you have certain files in your system, PC, now you can upload. Just what you need to do, you need to click on the image, upload media or some upload video, upload audio, whatever you want to upload, automatically it will come here. Suppose now if I want to keep this logo here. Now see, this logo is here. Okay. Now I want to create my name here. Gopal. DSR or something like that. Whatever I want to create, I can create. I can change the fonts. Suppose if these fonts are not good for me, I can go a different fonts altogether, or this font, or this font, or this font, or suppose I like this DSR, or I like this DSR. Okay, so likewise, now I want to add some music to this. Go to audio and add some music. Now you play this entire video like this. This is a 9 seconds. So this is how you can create a video. This is how you can create a video. Just here you click the download button. Now it will ask you what kind of, it is MP4 or something like that. It is downloading MP4 video. Okay, so it will download. Wherever you want to post it, you can post it in your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Based on that, you can post it. Okay, so this is how you can create your flyers, your Instagram posts, your videos, anything you can do. Okay, is it clear, sir? Okay, suppose if you go to the home, these are the designs. Okay, just now we have prepared, no? These all are here, you can see. This is the digital media we have prepared. This is the Ganesh builders we have prepared, and this we have prepared. Okay, likewise, there are so many other things also I have prepared. So here, if you see, this is what I prepared. Don't run for the working capital. Okay, so here you can play and you can see. Simply because getting a bank loan is an art, and come and learn the experts. Just you need to edit wherever you want to edit and use whatever the free tools are available with that, so that without paying a single rupee, you can create beautiful videos, audios, and other things. Now, another important things I will tell you here. If you see on the left corner, there are pixels and Pixabay. Pixels and Pixabay. There are two icons. In these two icons, you will get plenty of free pictures and videos free of cost. You need not to pay a single rupee for this. So you can use these two tools also. Suppose if I go here, see, there are so many photos. Okay, there will be so many videos also available. Suppose if it is a videos, pixels. Okay, so you can go and you can use those without paying any rupee. Now you can say Pixabay. Okay, so these are the two tools you can use to get the more pictures. Okay, see this bird, depending upon the business where you are into. Based on that, you can plan your advertisements, so that digital media platform you can use very effectively. Very effectively. Any questions, sir? Any questions?
There is one question. Can the Photoshop be used like this? There was one question from a participant.
Sir, Photoshop is a very complicated tool. Okay, until unless you don't get the training on the Photoshop, you can't do. But whereas here you need not to go anything. The simple thing, copy paste, Control C, Control V, just bring it, drag it, and use it. Simple. You need not to do anything. Because Photoshop, you need to go for the Photoshop. It is not a free tool. It is a paid tool, Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. Then you need to undergo a training program, because it will be in the layers, 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer, then effective ads, all these things. It will take you not less than 2 to 3 months. The hectic work. You need to buy software. Why you want to do all these things? Because the ready-made flyers are available, ready-made visuals are available, everything is available. Only thing is, you need to have certain creativity in your mind. Yes, I am into education business, so I require this kind of the video. I am into the construction field, I require this kind of the video. And you add your own terminology, your words, your pictures, all whatever you want. Suppose if you are a builder, whatever the previous constructions you have done, you take the pictures and you can write, yeah, this is our success story. 2021 we have constructing this. 2020 our success story is this. 2019 this is our success story. Likewise, you can put some figures and make a video and add some free music. Few music is also available, and put it in all social media platforms. It will be easy. Okay, so the same video you can put it in Instagram, the same video you can put it in social media, the same video you can upload in the YouTube also. Okay, and apart from this, you can do so many lives. No, today even Facebook you can do live, and YouTube you can do live. All these free tools, even the Zoom is giving you free. This all are available, free tools. Use only, they will be giving a limited time, 40 minutes time. Use it for 40 minutes. If it is required, again you do a next session. So why you want to burn your money? Because entrepreneurial journey is a tough journey. Initially, it looks like that industry is rosy, but believe me, it is not easy. So when it is looking rosy, you need to be very, very careful, and you need to cut down your expenditure so that your profit margins will be more. You need not to go to any digital media management offices or any houses today and for these kind of the things. You can use the same kind of the video you take and you use it in your WhatsApp profile. Okay, in your groups you can share it. The poster, the flyer, all these things you can share it in all mediums, so that it will become the advertisement for you without spending a single rupee. And there are so many other tools also. There is a KineMaster. Suppose if you have done some videos, suppose you like certain videos in the YouTube, you can download it and you can use the KineMaster tool, so that you can cut, you can edit, and you can use it. Sir, this Canva is one thing is enough to cater all your needs initially. Even a 10 crores company also, you need not to invest single rupee to create your ads. All the free tools are available. Only thing is, you need to understand and you need to have patience. And in YouTube, if you go to the YouTube, you just ask the tutorial, Canva tutorial, or Pixabay tutorial, or Pixel tutorial, or Adobe tutorial, or KineMaster tutorial. All these tutorials are available in all the languages. Only thing is, you need to go, type it, spend 20-30 minutes and use it in your desktop. You will become the master. Okay. So any questions you can ask, sir. Okay, you all must be knowing that what is YouTube, what is Facebook, and what is Twitter, and all these things. I don't think so you required any explanation on that. Any question and answers you can ask, sir. Sir, whenever these free tools, it will not be having any harm. You can use in any, because this Canva, all these things, you will not get any kind of the virus or anything. But having antivirus in the systems is always suggestible. Okay, so here you are not using any hardware, just you are using the software that is only online. But always have antivirus in your system. It's always better, because in this pandemic, if you have seen the cyber crime, it is almost multiplied several times. So always have that kind of the good antivirus. Even if you see my system, I am having Quick Heal, total security. I have done for the 3 years. So there is more झंझट. एक बार डाल दीजिए 3 साल के लिए, आप आराम से काम करते रहिए. इसके बारे में आप सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. सर समझ में आया ये पूरा? It is very simple, sir. Canva is one thing you can use and you can create whatever the need you have, and you can go and post in your all handles, starting with your WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and all these things. These are the only social media for the initial starters. If it's a big company, yes, you need to engage a person who is expert in that SEO, SMM, all these things. Then you may require certain money to shell out from your pocket. Fine. Sir, only thing is, sir, you need to download. I have shown you that download button. No, you need to just download it, and wherever the because each and every system they may be having certain instructions given. Download should be downloaded in the downloads folder or in the desktop or in the D drive. Then it will be automatically saving in the D drive. It will ask you which format you want, MP4 or JPG, PNG. It will ask the format. So you need to, depending upon your need, you need to save in that particular format so that you will get the same, whatever the output you have seen, the same output you will get. That same can be uploaded in your digital media handles. I am having enterprise as per the information. It is showing that there is a charge for this. Still, I use free version. Sir, free version is enough, sir. Sir, last 1.5 years, I am using free version and my work is done. I never stopped. Okay, because there are certain photos and other things you may like it. They may be in the paid version. There are so many other tools. You just go into the Google and ask where are the free photo to download tools, no copyright tools. Then you will get so many things. Any other questions? Okay, so I thought of because this is enough as of now. Okay, the deeper we'll go, you will be more confused. So this one Canva will take care of all your needs immediately. Nirupama ji, any other questions from the?
No, I don't see any such questions as yet. The feedback is going good.
Okay, so sir, I don't think so. It is required to show how to upload into the Facebook, how to upload into the YouTube, or how to upload into the Instagram. This is also required. No, I don't think so. It is not required. Only if you can prepare the video, if you can able to prepare the flyer, it is enough for you. Because the rest of all you be all are knowing by this time. Am I right, sir? Any other questions or anything you want, please put it in the chat box. I'll help you out. Is it interesting? Session added value in your situation? I want to see each one's comment on this. Today morning, certain value is added to your situation. Sir, this is a human brain. Until unless you don't use it, you will lose it. So what you need to do, you start using Canva. You all must be having Google account. Just go log in. It will ask you ID and password, or it will simply, you can say that log in with Facebook account. So automatically it will take your Facebook account and password and you will be logging in, and try to do one poster, one Instagram poster, one video. So then you will be knowing. Otherwise, if somewhere you struck, just go to the YouTube and see Canva tutorial in Hindi language, in Karnataka, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, any language you can find out. So Canva tutorial. See Canva tutorial once, twice, thrice. Then experiment it. Or just trust me, within a span of 1 week, you will become master. And without spending a single rupee, your business will be definitely 20% will be growth. You can see it is my challenge to you. If it is not grown, then you call me and tell, sir, my business is not grown. Only thing is you need to understand how to prepare this thing and put it in all digital media platforms. Digital media platform is all whatever we have discussed. Is starting with WhatsApp. In the morning, you put your status, whatever the best product or whatever the best service you are offering, or how you are doing all these things. Then automatically, jo dikhta hai, wahi bikta hai. So the more you reach the public, the more you can get the business. And most important thing, please understand what customer is expecting. What are the customers, the mindset? Because the customer mindset may be changing from day, every day it is changing. Every day their demands are changing, their needs are changing. Accordingly, you need to focus, and accordingly you need to change your advertisement pattern. If you have seen old advertisements and old pictures, and today advertisements and today pictures are entirely different. Similarly, you need to use a different strategy. Okay, so that's where your success lies. Okay, any other things? This Canva, Pixel, Pixabay. Okay, these three, and KineMaster. KineMaster is a free tool. Okay, I am using a different tools. Okay, Filmora. Filmora is also another free tool. Okay, Bandicam. Suppose this kind of the programs are something you are doing. This Bandicam is also a screen recorder. That is also a free tool. Up to 10 to 20 minutes, you can, up to 10 minutes, you can record your screen and you can share. Okay, so all these things are free tools, sir. Only thing is how effectively you use depends upon you. Okay, thank you so much. Any questions you can ask? Otherwise, almost it is 12:22. Okay, we can wind up the session with the permission of Nirupama Madam and Nalina Agarwal. Ma'am, any other questions need to be addressed in this, or it's fine? Thank you so much, one and all, for your patient listening. Please use it. If you don't use it, you will lose it. Sir, market is very dynamic. Market is changing every day, every minute it is changing. Only thing is how better you can showcase your work, how better you can showcase your product or service in the market. Depending upon that, you will get the success. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks. Thank you so much. Your comments are really, really motivating me a lot. It is very encouraging in the morning.
Thank you so much, Gopalji. Indeed, it was a nice session. I'm sorry, there are so many challenges with technology, and I was caught up in another call. And you can already see the feedback that we are receiving from the participants. I'm quite satisfied as well from ASSOCHAM that our initiatives, our efforts are being regarded and received in a very positive way. So this participants, I would share with you, yeah, these two sessions were indeed very useful to all of you. And as mentioned, the people who have attended both the sessions will be receiving a completion certificate from our side, and both the YouTube links you will be receiving after completion of the session. So thank you so much, Gopalji. Once again, we'll try to bring you
to all, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Gopalji. And I would seek your, email sharing the presentation, both the presentations, so the participants get benefited.
By today, EOD, I will
Thank you, everyone.
There is another session at 1 o'clock, so I will share with you in the evening.
Sure.
Thank you so much once all. To all the participants and ASSOCHAM for giving me such a wonderful platform to help someone. If any one of you are helped out with this kind of the session, then it will be a great pleasure to me and honor to me. Thank you.
And to participants, I request that such sessions will keep on happening. I would request you to please register yourself, because these are paid sessions. Otherwise, we are doing it for the benefit of youth and all entrepreneurs over there. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you.